How to delete incognito history on Android phone or tablet. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. On the Google Chrome Incognito tab, you get plenty of privacy. However, there is one thing that is concerning. It is that your internet service provider and anyone who has access to your device is able to browse your incognito history. So, if you want to be safe and delete the incognito history, then in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first step is to open Google Chrome on your Android device, be it phone or tablet. Once you have opened it, on the URL bar, you want to type this very exact thing, that is chrome://net-internals/DNS-events. Once you type this, press enter. Now you're going to land in this page. On the left hand side, you have different options such as events, proxy, DNS, sockets, domain security policy, and shared dictionaries. You want to select the option of DNS. Once you select this option, here you find the option on the right hand side of host resolver cache. Now you want to tap on the option of clear host cache. Once you tap on this option, your incognito history will be deleted and no one will be able to access that history anymore. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.